Hello and welcome to our tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to add products into a website using Woodmart theme. If you have a website built with Woodmart theme, then in this video, you will learn how you can add products from Amazon into your website. So, first of all, let's log into your WP admin dashboard and go to products. Currently, I have approximately 100 plus products, and these are the categories which I am using on my website. So these are toy figures, some action figures, and some supplements, medicines, and a lot of other categories. So if I go to categories, let's choose one category for which we will get Amazon's products. Let's choose home and kitchen. So go to amazon.com and search for home and kitchen. Now let's refine the products 4 stars and up, and if you want to add a price filter, then you can choose your range here, choose a specific brand if you want. And once you have done, let's go to a website for scrapping called scrapanywebsitedata.com. I will leave this link into the YouTube description. And now scroll down, click on Amazon, and here you will see the interface like this. Okay, you do not see any fields here. Just click on download Chrome extension and add this extension to your browser. And now go back to this page and refresh it. Then you will see the fields. Okay, now first of all we will get the product links. So go to the search, copy the search link and paste it here, and click on get product URLs. Once it crawled that search page, all the available single product URLs will be listed here, and then we will start scrapping all single product data. Let's go to the list and let it load. Okay, all the products are listed here. So as I am just showing you how you can do this, I am removing all other product links, just 4, and click on start scrapping and leave your mouse and keyboard and wait for it. It will scrap, it will crawl all the products one by one and get the single product data, title, prices, images, descriptions, short descriptions, essence, and everything available. Once it's a second product, once it's crawled all these products, it will list the data on the scrapper page, and then it will be easily scrapped to a CSV, and then we can import that CSV to our store. So let's finish this first, and this is the final product, which is the 4th product. Each product page will take approximately 4 to 5 seconds, and then all the data will be populated here. Once you have this message here, and save the CSV on your PC. Let's save it on the downloads folder. Now open your website, which is built with Woodmart, and the category was home and kitchen. So let's open all products and click on import and choose that CSV here Do not check this checkbox and click on continue. Okay, we have SKU, we have name, we have short description, we have image URL, which is images. Let's choose images here. We have description, regular price, and original URL. You can add it to a custom meta or just add it to external URL for later use. Okay, let's run importer and wait for it. You can add the category column to the CSV. We did not add this, so it will be uncategorized. The 4 products will be accessories. Okay, these are accessories. So these 4 to 5 products are added. Now let's see if we have all the data included here. We have the title, we have image, we have description, we have price. In inventory we have the SKU as SN, we have category, we have short description, and that's all. So open the front end and check the accessories. Let's open any category and then choose accessories. And we have these products. This one added, this one, this one. You can modify the CSV and add home and kitchen category to add this within that category. So these are also added to accessories. So this is how you can add products from Amazon to your Woodmart themes website. I hope you learned something from today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and you will not miss my future videos. Thank you.